Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mini tutorial on this leave-in. I'm trying to figure out what my hair's love language is right now. So I will be testing out a lot of hair products and leave-ins for you guys. The one that's featured today, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna butcher it, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I think it's called Ouai. Oui? Hawaii? I don't know. I don't know, girl. Someone at Ulta recommended it to me. They said it was good as like a soft hold. So that's what I'm trying to look for right now. I want something that I could put in my hair and it leaves my curls soft and I don't have to take out the crunchiness and stuff. So that's why I'm trying this out today. And the way that I'm applying it is I'm smoothing it onto my hair. I'm not really finger combing too much. I'm kind of just like trying to squish down the poofiness that I have going on right now, guys, is insane. I let my hair air dry naturally for this video, and these are the results. It did have like a little bit of a hold to it when it dried, so I just smoothed it out and then fluffed out my hair. But considering all I have in my hair right now is just leave-in, I think it did a pretty good job. I think it did pretty good. I do like how my curls looked too. I think because of the way that I applied it, I just let it my curls be themselves. I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, let me know if you guys tried this product and what leave-in or styling product you guys would like me to try next. And that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment down below so I can make more like these. And I'll see you guys in my next one.